Alright, this is RTX Voice versus Drone Noise. I am Greeny, this is Greenbox, and because I need to continue talking right now, I tell you, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and let me know in the comment section below what should be the next thing we let to compete against RTX Voice in the next video. This idea came from a user called Swiss Drone Photos, and I'm thrilled to see what's your idea for our next competition. And I think that's enough RTX Voice magic for now, so I'm gonna turn it off right now. And you can actually hear the noise this drone is making. So RTX Voice is doing a pretty great job here, once again. So okay, go ahead, let me know what should be the next thing we let RTX Voice compete against. I'm Greeny, this is Greenbox, thanks for subscribing, see ya, bye.